Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by measuring rice and water precisely. This controls texture. Use 1 cup rice for about 2 servings, then rinse until the water is clear. This removes excess starch that makes rice gummy. Once rinsed, drain and put rice into the cooker pot, spreading it flat. Make sure the rice sits level so heat distributes evenly. Now add the correct water line for your rice type. For most white rice, add 1 1/4 cups water per cup rice. Seal the lid and select the basic cook setting. Once the lid is closed, select the appropriate program: white for short grain, brown for whole grain, or the standard cook for mixed varieties, because timing and steam differ. You should not lift the lid while it runs. Opening releases steam and breaks the temperature profile the rice needs. Make sure the cooker sits level on a stable surface and that the steam vent is clear. If your cooker has a timer or delay start, set it now. Monitor only by the indicator. The machine will switch to keep warm when done. After cooking, let the rice rest undisturbed for 10 to 15 minutes. This evens moisture and finishes steaming. When you open the lid, lift it away from you to avoid hot steam, then fluff gently with a fork or rice paddle to separate grains and release trapped steam. If rice turns out too soft, next time reduce water slightly. If it's undercooked or hard, add 1/4 cup water, close lid, and run a short steam cycle. Keep one troubleshooting tip in mind: never skip the resting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.